Happy Thanksgiving, everyone, and welcome to my home. I'm Kerry, and this is Kerry Lovecat, and I have a fun and easy craft for you to do at your Thanksgiving table with your little ones this year. The first thing you want to do is get a piece of poster board. The bigger, the better, and you want to draw a giant turkey. For educational purposes, I'm inserting how I draw a turkey here. You just kind of draw like an upside down light bulb, some feathers, and some feet, and you're good to go. Don't forget the eyeballs. Then you want to color it with the little ones. Go ahead and color it, and then you want to cut it out. So now you have your giant turkey. If you want to take this a step further, you can go ahead and laminate it. You don't have to write on it before you laminate it. That will just help save it from year to year. What you want to do is inside each of the leaves, you want to write a prompt. So the ones that I put in our turkey are: we are thankful for good, healthy food. We are thankful for family and friends. We are thankful for Mother Nature, for world peace, for truth, justice, and love to prevail. We are thankful for laughter. We are thankful for music, and we are thankful for God and universal love. Those are just the things that I chose. If you're doing this with older kids, they can choose what goes in the feathers. I mean, that's super fun. If you have, certain traditions or things to your family around each leaf. Each year, we've had my daughter write what she's thankful for. Now, my other daughter still can't talk, so this year she just scribbled and wrote her name. And for all purposes, this is actually the second turkey we made. The first turkey got destroyed in the garage while I was organizing. So we've had a couple of turkeys, and as long as you remember what they said, or you have a picture or photograph or something, then it's easy to replace just in case. And so then what my daughter wrote, and I'm going to share this, I think it's so cute. When she was 2, she wrote mashed potatoes. And she said, and I wrote down. And then when she was 3, she put beans, meaning baked beans. And when she was 4, she put, I am thankful for Oma's meatballs. Thankful for Mother Nature. When she was a little baby, she put sunshine, because we love that song, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. And so that was like a big hit, so sunshine. And then she put beach last year. We were at the beach. And then she put cats and dogs. That's Mother Nature to her. We are thankful for laughter. This year she put daddy's jokes, which kind of just shows that she is starting to get jokes now and everything, which is so cool when kids start to do that. And then her first year she put toots, because toots are really funny. And this one is, we are thankful for God and universal love. So what do kids really understand about God? And what does that mean to us? I know it's different for everybody, but when she was a baby, she's put God. When she was 2. When she was 3, she put, I love God. When she was 4, she put prayers. So she kind of gets that you kind of pray. You can't see it, but you can feel it. So that was so cool to me. We actually just filled ours out last night. I know this is kind of a longer video and I'm just talking, but I really just wanted to share this. It is not the prettiest craft, is it? But it is so meaningful. I'm gonna get emotional. So if anybody out there, any moms or grandmas, want to do a grateful turkey, even if you do a different turkey for every year, I mean, you could do that and hang them all up. That's so cute. If drawing a turkey like this is too hard for you, make a giant hand. Put a little circle in it. It doesn't matter what it looks like. It's just the sentiment, and it helps you feel grateful for all of these things in the world. This year, I'm very grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my husband. I'm grateful for God, for nature. I'm grateful for all the people that work every day to make this world a better place. So happy Thanksgiving, and I hope it's a good one. Mwah. Love you all. Bye.